Hey guys, today we're cooking Jamaican jerk chicken wings. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I'm Master Chef Blake. Before we go any further, please give me a subscribe. I will be bringing you the best Jamaican recipes from my kitchen to the comfort of your home. Wherever you are, in your bed, on your couch, or in your kitchen. Easy to follow along, and I just want to say thank you for the love and support and for all the subscribers. Enjoy. Alright guys, so let's jump straight into it. My chicken wings has already been washed and prepped, and now we go straight into the seasoning. Half a tablespoon of my Jairi chicken season, and this has no salt, no MSG, 100% organic. I want half of a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of my wet blended season, half a teaspoon of browning. After we have added all our seasons, we'll now go ahead and stir our seasons in. So after we have finished seasoning our chicken wings, we'll allow this to marinate for about 10 to 20 minutes and preheat our oven at 350 degrees. Alright guys, so it has now been 20 minutes and we'll place our chicken wings in our baking bowl. If you have a baking tray, that's fine, or a baking pan, that can be used also. Set your timer to 35 minutes and place your chicken wings inside the oven. Our chicken is in the oven now, so we now move on to our cranberry sauce dipping. So in a large bowl, add 1 cup of ketchup, 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/8 cup of cranberry juice, 1 teaspoon of ginger extract, half a tablespoon of lime juice. Whisk for 2 minutes to combine all ingredients. Okay guys, so now I'm finished whisking this. I'm going to add this to my saucepan on a low flame on the stove. So the aim is to reduce this to get a thicker consistency from our dip. I'm going to go ahead and add 1/4 of a teaspoon of browning, just to give our sauce a darker color. Just allow this to reduce, and that will be our dip that we serve with our jerk chicken wings. Alright guys, so our jerk chicken is halfway there. What we're going to do is take some of our sauce and just lightly baste our chicken wings. Alright, so once we're finished, we'll now go ahead and place them back into the oven for the next 15 minutes, just to let the sauce dry on the skin and give it a nice texture. Alright guys, so here we have it, our finished product, our Jamaican jerk chicken wings and our cranberry sauce.